Enable Wi-Fi Direct on a Brother DCP T510. On the printer's control panel, press the menu button. Navigate to and select the network option. Find and select Wi-Fi Direct from the network options. Navigate to the manual option. Note the details. Your printer's screen will display the SSID, the name of the Wi-Fi Direct network, and the password or PIN. On your phone, download and install the Brother iPrint&Scan app from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone. Open the iPrint&Scan app on your mobile device. On your Android or iPhone, go to the device's Wi-Fi settings. Search for available wireless networks and select the network name, SSID, that starts with direct followed by your printer's model number. Enter the password you wrote down earlier and connect to the network. Once connected, you may see a notification that there is no internet access. This is normal for a Wi-Fi direct connection. The app should automatically detect the printer, or you can manually add it by tapping Add a Machine. Select your printer from the list to start printing or scanning. Open a document or photo within the iPrint&Scan app and send it to the printer. Use the scanning feature in the app to scan documents from the printer to your